Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a footnote to your document created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and then you should select a Word document or a template, and then you should tap on this references button at the top of the screen. That's the fifth option. Tap on insert footnote. So here you can find it at the bottom of the page. It is indicated with this number 1 icon. So then you should type in the text of your footnote. And here if you tap on the format button, you can set the format of your footnote in terms of the font and the font size and also the indentation. So here you can find how it looks like, and then tap on the apply or apply to all button, and if you are done, just simply hit enter and then it will be added. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.